how to hide all photos on Facebook. So yeah guys, in this guy I'll show you how to hide all photos from Facebook. So you can open your Facebook first and go their profile the, and once you have opened your profile section, you can see this is my profile. And now if you want to hide your photos or videos on Facebook, so you're gonna tap on your photos and go there all photos album and select any picture like this, tap on it, and if you want to hide it, so you're gonna tap on the three dots, and now you can tap on the edit privacy, and here you can find out the only me option, and it will be private on Facebook. No one can see this photo, so you're gonna tap on it and tap on done. So yeah guys, you can see this is has been private on Facebook. So if this video was helpful for you, please leave a like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content and update like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.